Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 2 and today's topic is, look at this board. I have written down clown face with color. So my dear student, look at the board how I will draw the clown face. This one is U. Okay, so everyone write down the U first and give a line like this, and then just write down a reverse V and here a tiny circle. Then draw the eyebrows like this, give the eye, give nose and mouth. And give here the hair. Okay, and then give here a collar. For the decoration of the cap, give some tiny circle here. I have colored a picture for you. Look at the screen. This one is the colored picture. Okay, if you want you can color by yourself, but I will brief you how I have colored. Here I have used red. This is the pink color and left the tiny circles white. Here I have used face color, that means cream color, and on the eyebrows I have used blue color, and on the eye I have left the white space and fill this portion by black color. On the hair I have used orange, brown and deep brown also. And in the mouth I have used here red color. On the nose I have used here orange color. In the collar I have used lemon green and ocean green. So my dear student, no one will give the black markers border. Practice at your home, and this is your HW number 3. When you will start your HW, you must write down the HW number and topic name and submit it at your school every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, color carefully and practice more. No more today. Thank you.